Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell on Webull. First, you'll need to open and verify your Webull account, which is a straightforward process. Once verified, fund your account with an initial deposit. There's often a minimum amount, but it's usually quite accessible. Then, familiarize yourself with the platform's layout to easily locate various assets like stocks and options. This foundational step ensures you're ready to execute trades confidently. To buy an asset, begin by searching for its ticker symbol within the Webull app. Once you've found it, tap the Trade button. Here, you'll select your preferred order type, like a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Input the number of shares you wish to purchase, review the details, and then confirm your buy order. It's a quick and intuitive process. Selling an asset on Webull is just as simple. Navigate to your portfolio and find the specific stock or ETF you want to sell. Tap on it, then select Trade. You'll again choose your order type, perhaps a market order for a quick sale or a limit order to target a higher price. Enter the exact number of shares you intend to sell, double-check everything, and then execute your sell order. Webull offers advanced order types such as stop-loss and take-profit orders, which can help manage risk and lock in gains automatically. Make sure to explore the platform's robust research tools and real-time market data. These resources are invaluable for making informed trading decisions and understanding market trends. And for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.